Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today I will be sharing with you the recipe for baked lemon quarter leg chicken. The first thing that you need to do is clean for quarter legs of chicken, removing any excess fat and skin. Combine 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and pepper flakes. Rub the mixture onto the chicken legs. In a cup, combine 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 whole lemon, and the juice of 1 whole orange. Pour the marinade over the chicken legs. Mix thoroughly by hand to ensure even coating. Let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour covered. After 30 minutes, transfer the chicken to a tray. Brush both sides with the marinade. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the chicken for 1 hour until fully cooked. Serve with potato salad and vegetable salad. Enjoy! Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.